This is a Snap Circuit Lite. It has 175 exciting projects. 55 pieces are included. It is really nice for ages 8 to 108. And this is an older product. So this has been around for a while. A lot of people love it. And we're going to go through and play with it today. When you open it up, you can see what's included. You have batteries and a bunch of other stuff we're going to figure out. Even though this is an older one, we haven't messed with it yet, so this is going to be our first time trying it out. So we're going to try it out and show you how it goes. So this is going to be your circuit board.
What?
From my understanding.
That's cool.
There are a lot of projects in here.
Projects?
Yeah, okay. Shows part lists, everything.
This thing really is amazing. Everything does snap in once you get used to it. I wasn't used to it here, but as you do, it gets much better. My son loves this and plays with it non-stop. I'm talking about hours, and learns so much. He's done at least 30 projects, and we've only had it a few days.
Let's see if it works. Turns the light on. So you want to know how this worked?
Yeah, because it's carrying the
have
battery's still there.
Yeah, so you have the battery. You have a switch.
Yeah.
That's all that does is a switch. You have a resistor. You always have to have a resistor to make this work. And then you have the, what's that one called? The LED, I guess. And then you have another thing of battery, and you have something else to make it continue the loop. Because you want to have a loop. It's called a circuit. Because it's all in a circle, basically.
So you can do that. That way, is that the fun? Is
That's
that the
cool.
finishing touch?
Or you could do a lot of things. I don't know if you can do this. I don't think this will fit on. No. This can work for some.
I flip the switch on.
Go ahead, do it. Do it.
I flip the switch on, making sound, on a little bit of sound, and I press the button when the switch is on, and it makes noise.
Nice.
It's called the sound maker.
Wow. And you did that by yourself. Nice
Yeah.
job.
So this is the sound bar. It can change the sound. I want to show you this since it's still the same, but when you move it back a little bit, see, it's changing. And when it's all the way down, it makes this sound. Makes different sounds. This is the sound bar. It will change all of the sounds.
Good job, buddy.